Anjali, please respond.
It's loading, sir.
Oh, Rachana, you got it or any facing any problem there? Rachana, the remaining students, but don't go anywhere. Just again, all of you come and you can join the class now. Just in 20 minutes, we'll discuss about this question paper. Anirudh, Anirudh, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any problem? You feel difficult
Sir,
in that?
have done all those questions, but
Uh,
this time I didn't revise, so I was not able to do first and the last question.
it's
Like
okay.
I forgot in the last question I forgot to divide, and in the first question I still didn't get how.
Okay. So
So
now we will do the first question now. Okay.
yes, sir.
And Kaushalya and Anjali remaining, but who are not completed. It's okay.
Sir, I submitted, sir.
So submitted already. Good. I'll see. Yes, I got. No, Kaushalya, I didn't get your paper.
Sir, 1 minute, I'll just upload it, sir.
Okay, you are doing. It's good. Slowly you can do that. First, listen to me first. So question number one, actually it's very easy only, but I think where you will get the confusion means only that last step will get confusion. Then after you done that, what is the question? Please tell me that. Please tell me the question now. I think tan inverse of Anirudh.
Yes, sir.
What is the question? Tell me. Tan inverse of.
Tan inverse of root 1
Ah,
plus x
ah,
minus root 1 minus x
ah,
divided by
ah,
root 1 plus x
ah.
plus root 1 minus x.
Root of 1 minus x. Yes, we have to
Uh,
simplify this value.
we
Correct?
need to prove it as pi by
Ah,
4
equal to
minus
ah, pi by 4 minus cos inverse of
one,
x. Correct?
1 by 2 cos inverse of x.
1 by 2 into cos inverse of x. 1 by 2
Yes,
into
sir.
this is we have to prove. Simple thing only. So all of you just you do one thing here. First immediately here replace that x value can replace with some other thing. That is, so let you can take here immediately x equal to cos 2x. X equal to cos 2 theta. Theta I can take cos 2 theta because already x we are taking cos 2 theta.
Sir, I've taken sin x or sin theta.
That also you can take. Okay. Then this one just you can substitute in there now. Then what we are getting? Tan inverse of root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta whole by root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. I think this formula for eliminating one, we know the value of this. Cos 2 theta equal to, we know the formula. Cos 2 theta equal to, what is the formula we have? 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Is correct? Or one more thing is 1 minus 2 sin square theta.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, I took x is equal to cos theta.
x equal to cos theta. But you taken x equal to cos theta means you done the rationalization.
No, sir, we have a formula. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. That's what.
Yes, is there. Yes.
Sir, through that also I got.
Yes, you will get. Okay, that also you can do, no problem that one. So in place of this, you can substitute in there now, plus 1 minus 1 will be cancelled. Then what we are getting? Tan inverse of, this is the clearly root of cos square theta, 2 cos square theta, is correct? Root of 2 cos square theta it is. Minus here also what you get, in place of cos 2 theta equal, you can take 1 minus of 2 sin theta, you can take minus with this minus 1 plus 1 we are getting. So this also root of 2 sin square theta. This also you can write whole by, in the same way denominator also you can write now, root of 2 cos square theta plus root of 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta, and tan inverse of, we know the formula root of a into b equal to root a into root b. So you can write this value 2 into root of cos square theta equal to cos theta, and this is the root 2 into sin theta whole by, here also root 2 into cos theta plus root 2 into sin theta, root 2 into sin theta. Now root 2 you can take common, outside you can take, then it will be cancelled. You will cancel very easily that. So you can cancel that.
Sir,
Ah.
can we do it also like by taking excess cos
Yes,
theta,
yes,
sir?
attempt in that, yes, you can do. Okay. But you got the final answer, pi by 4, same thing you got?
Yes, sir. Pi by 4 minus
Yes.
x by 2. Then you can substitute the value of x as well.
I can do that. You take in root 2 common, cancel that. Then what you are getting this value, tan inverse of, this is the cos theta minus sin theta whole by cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta. Now we have to get tan here, means you can divide by cos. Divide by cos. Then what we are getting is tan inverse of cos by cos equal to 1, sin by cos equal to tan theta whole by, this is the 1 plus tan theta. 1 plus tan theta. Now the same thing you can write now, tan inverse of this 1 equal to, if you want you can write now tan pi by 4 you can write. Minus tan theta write as it is only. Whole by, this 1 you can write as it is only. Here 1 into, you can take it. So tan pi by 4 into tan theta. So tan x minus tan y by 1 plus, or else this is you can take directly. The value also you can take. Then you have tan pi by 4 equal to 1. So what is this formula? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a into tan b equal to how much? Tan a minus b, na? Is correct? Tan a minus b only?
Yes, sir.
That one you can substitute in there. So tan inverse of, this the tan a minus b, means you can write tan of a equal to pi by 4 minus theta. The 2 will be cancelled. The remaining will be 5 over 4 minus theta it is. Now based on that you can find the value. Here cos right this side now. It is the cos inverse of x equal to 2 theta. The theta equal to 1, 2 also right this side. So 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x. That one I can substitute in there now. So pi by 4 minus 2, 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x. 1 by 2 into cos inverse of x. You got now? LHS equal to RHS. Okay.
Sir,
Uh,
there are many ways now, sir. So if you do
Yes.
it any way, they'll give you marks now, sir.
Then okay. Then what you are taking? Tell me now. X equal to,
Sin theta.
if taken x equal to sin theta, then theta equal to, then what we are getting? Theta equal to sin inverse of x. Okay. Then what you are writing here now? Tan inverse of 1 plus. Then sin theta equal to, we have to write compulsory 2 sin theta into cos theta. It's correct. 2 sin x by theta by 2 into cos x by theta by 2.
Yes, sir. One I have taken cos square theta by 2 plus sin square theta by 2.
Okay. The whole thing will be, then what are you getting? Sin square theta by 2, so sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 we are getting. Is correct?
Yes, sir.
And minus of, this is the sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 minus of the same thing only. There also I
Sir,
think. Is
final
correct?
answer I'll get theta by 2, sir.
So minus sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2 we will get. And this will be cancelled to the numerator. Is correct? For the numerator. Then what about this value now? 2 cos theta by 2 whole by denominator also I think you will get now 2 sin theta by 2 will get. Correct? It's correct only, na?
Yes, sir. But
Then
I've
2 will
taken,
be cancelled. 2 to
I'll
cancel.
get sin theta by 2 by
So
cos
cos
theta
by
by
sin
2.
equal to sin.
Sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2.
You know how to get sin theta by 2 in numerator value?
Sir, you have taken minus sin.
This is the a plus b whole square means square will be cancelled. A plus b we got. Now this is the a minus b.
Yes, sir,
And
we can
minus
take,
of a minus b means
we can take sin as a or cos as a.
it's okay. Correct only. This is the actually we'll get this term it is minus of sin theta by 2 minus cos theta by 2. Is correct?
I've taken cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. Both are same. way.
Okay. Cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2. On that time we'll get the cos theta by 2, then sin you will get now. So what about remaining? Tan inverse of tan theta by 2 na? Is correct?
Yes, sir.
Tan theta by 2. Now this will be cancelled. The remaining will be theta by 2 it is. Theta by 2. So 1 by 2 into. But the value of theta equal to in terms of cos you can write now. Is correct? Right in terms of cos.
I've taken pi by 2 minus cos inverse.
Pi by 2 minus cos inverse of x. Yes. This the pi by 2 minus cos inverse x is correct only. It's fine that. Okay. Anyway, you can do. Then you will get marks. No problem. That no issue. This is question number 1. And what about last one? Please tell me. Last one. Please tell me that.
What, sir?
I think they told the answer the last question. Anirudh, I think you
Sir.
got that out. What is the last question?
So so in this I just forgot to divide. It's tan inverse cos x by 1 minus sin x whole to the power xy.
Very easy one. They're also same only. We have read the formula. Cos x
Yes,
equal to
sir.
we have
I
read-
did everything. I just in the last I just forgot to divide numerator and denominator with cos x by 2.
Okay. So
I
all
just
of,
forgot,
yes, all
sir.
of you should remember these kind of questions are important for examination point of view. Okay, it's not finding the only the value of the principal value of some other thing. Finding the value of that that is not important. But these kind of questions all of you should remember that. The same way that last exam also I gave few questions to you. That also more important to you. Okay.
So, but in this inverse trigonometry in the syllabus change, the only first exercise is coming. Like, for CBSE
It's
point
okay,
of view for test.
but we have to learn completely all.
Yes, sir. I
Understood?
have learned
Yes.
all the
Don't think
all
okay.
the
In examination point
formulas,
of
but I
view, yes,
forgot, sir.
examination point of view, you are learning that. But now here we have to learn all those things. What are the concepts we have?
Yes,
Because
sir.
yes, this year if learn perfectly means, but it is the useful for next academic year.
Yes, sir.
Understood? No? That's why. Suppose we left anything means that is the problem to you again.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I did it, but like I didn't practice it. So
Okay. It's okay. No problem that. Because it is just we are testing ourselves. It is understood now. It is not a final examination means because one time suppose if you done mistake means then we are rectify that immediately that okay that's all.
yes, sir.
And the next week also I'll give the test. It's not inverse trigonometry. It's not inverse trigonometry. I'll give the test from. I'll give determinants. Determinants. I think all of you know very well that. Respond.
Yes, sir.
Because you know very well.
Sir, only determinant chapter, sir.
Determinants.
Sir, because it will take more time, sir, if all questions are determinant questions.
Then just I'll give for each question 5 marks directly. I'll give 4 questions.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
No, that's all. 4 5 that 20. Because it is the combination also will get like that only, no? The 10 marks question combination we will get. Then the 5 marks for this one and the remaining marks for some other thing it is. Like that. Okay. That is your choice. So suppose you told that, suppose you feel difficult in the determinants means I'll give the determinant chapter. Or else I'm not given because time waste. It's not required. If you know very well means. That is yourself first you can tell me that, and based on that I'll give the test to you. You require the what are the first from to in the first test book. The last two chapters is compulsory. Continuity, differentiability, and application of derivatives compulsory. I'll give the test to you. I'm not missed out that. I'll give the test. Now you tell me that first chapter and third and fourth chapter. In these three chapters, and which concept you are feeling difficult? Suppose you're not telling means, but I don't know. I think already in school just you wrote the test you wrote. I think you know very well that. Then where you face the problem. Correct?
So school test was very easy because most of the main concepts are removed.
No. Here
Like in
there.
determines
Yes,
the
I know that one. Then what they will do means.
properties are removed.
Yes. Then what they will do means it is a simple way because the whole year they're doing the one is CBSE point of view. Then they remove whatever they remove that fund, they leave everything, and remaining they will do happily. Understood now? But here not like that. But here you came here means, but you have to learn something, and later you can't face any difficulty, especially in mathematics. That is my
Yes, sir.
intention.
Sir, you asked that I have written this school exam. In school exam, that it was nothing, but in this concepts, just need practice, sir. More
Yes, you
practice.
can do that. Okay, you can do. Oh,
Yes, sir.
very good. So I'll give the next week test on continuity. Only continuity.
Yes, sir. Fine.
I am not giving the full chapter. I'll give the test based on the only continuity. That means that first exercise is there in test book. Okay? It's fine?
Yes.
Again,
So
next
why
week,
not the full chapter?
because it is we have so many concepts are there in that. Understood now? So one day you can write the continuity, and other next week we will write the differentiation.
Okay, sir.
Complete differentiation we will write. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That means it is the one time, because one exam, test only we will complete, we'll cover all the models in continuity. Okay? Then the next test, I'll give the complete differentiation. That means all logarithmic function, trigonometric function, inverse trigonometric functions, and exponential. I'll give you everything in the one test. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then it's very easy. Or else we'll do one thing. I will take test based on the first three exercises. I think total we have 5 are there. Is correct? I think total we have 5 exercises in the continuity and differentiability. So I will take first 3. Based on like the same 25 marks only I'll give, but prepared well. Because suppose you are telling means, then I'll understand then where you feel the difficult that one. So today's questions, any doubts are there? Please respond. Today's test, any doubts are there?
No, sir.
So all the questions are clear. In inverse trigonometry, any concept you feel the difficult? In this chapter, any concept you are feeling difficult? Especially all of you should remember that if they given sine inverse and cos inverse, suppose sine inverse plus cos inverse is given, and we have to prove that in terms of tan inverse. So that case, all of you, then you do one thing, that completely first sine and cos, and the first term and second term you can convert it into tan inverse. Later you can apply the property. Okay?
Sir,
Ah.
sir, that fourth question.
What is the fourth question? I don't have a test paper.
It is sine inverse 3 by 5 minus sine inverse 8 by 70.
There you can do two different ways, Amma.
Can I use the formula directly, sir?
Yes. Tell me now. Sine inverse of
3 by 5 minus
3 by 5 minus
sine inverse 8 by 70.
sine inverse of 8 by 7 equal
17.
to 17 equal to, we have to prove that cos inverse of, tell me the question.
84 by 85.
84 by 85. 84 by 85. Yes. The direct formula means then what formula you applied?
Sine inverse of x minus sine inverse y equal sine inverse x into root of 1 minus y square
Oh, that formula
minus
you
y
applied.
into yes, sir,
Okay.
you told
Yes, yes,
separate
yes, yes.
formula.
For objective point of view, I gave the question formulas to you. It's correct.
Yes, sir.
It's okay. But for taking directly that formula, maybe in evaluator, because it is the you write in the board examination. It's correct. Understood now. So objective point of view, it's fine because actually generally that formula is not there in your textbook. Is there the property?
No,
Anywhere
sir.
they gave?
No, sir.
So all of you, before applying the any property, first you can see clearly in our textbook they gave or not. Understood now? Suppose they are not given that formula in our textbook means, but don't apply that. And the time I give the property to you, that is only for the objective. Understood? Because it is a shortcut. By using directly that formula, just will find easily that. But in this case, then what we'll do means very easy one, very simple question. So based on the suppose you can take here now sine inverse of 3 by 5. Immediately you can take some other variables you can take. This is equal to x and sine inverse of 8 by 17 equal to you can take here now y. This one right is side now. That means clearly we got now sin x equal to 3 by 5 and sin y equal to we got now sin y equal to, please tell me, 8 by 17. 8 by 17. So based on these two conditions, cos x equal to how much, tell me? 4 by 5.
Root 1 minus x
Why?
square. Sir, cos x will be equal to.
It's okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I wrote directly. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
because Python interpolate. 3
Yeah, yes.
Python interpolate. In the same, if you take a cos y equal to, I think this is the what is the 12 8 17?
Yes, sir. 12.
So it is the 12 by 17. Is correct? Because opposite by hypotenuse
15 by
15.
So yeah, 15, sir.
15. Okay, very good. That's all. Now we have to prove this one. Then what we'll do is directly all of you do one thing. Directly can take the formula cos of x minus y you can take. Because x equal to how much? Sin inverse of 3 by 5. Y equal to how much? Sin inverse of 8 by 17. The cos is there now. Suppose this cos, if you transfer to the RHS side, anyhow it's become the cos inverse of. So directly you can take cos of x, cos a minus b formula I can take. Cos a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. We know very well that one. Is correct? Sin a sin b. Now cos x equal to, we know the value 4 by 5. And cos y equal to 15 by 17 plus sin x equal to 3 by 5. Sin y equal to 8 by 17. 8 by 17. Now take LCM here. Now what is the LCM? 85. 85 is the LCM. So if denominators are same, directly can add the numerators. So 4 15 are 60 plus 3 8 are 24. Sum of these two numbers equal to 84 by 85. Anyhow, clearly we got now. So what is that? Cos of x minus y is equal to, we got 84 by 85. Now cos is right this side now. So therefore x minus y equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. Now x equal to, just now we're taking the substitution here now. Sin inverse of 3 by 5 minus this one you can write now. Sin inverse of 8 by 17. 8 by 17 is equal to cos inverse of 84 by 85. We got an answer. This is the proof of that. Very easy, simple only. Okay. Clear this?
Yes, sir.
And you can do one more way also. Suppose because it is the tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula we have. So based on these two values, you can find the tan, convert it into tan inverse and tan inverse. Suppose if taken tan, what will happen? I think 3 by 4. Tan means this is the tan inverse of 3 by 4 minus this also you can write now tan inverse of 8 by 15. Now directly for this one you can apply the formula tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Understood now? So tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, we know that one. Apply that, we'll get some value. That value you can convert into again cos. Understood? That also you can do, but you will get marks. Okay. So, but don't apply that formula, sin inverse x minus sin inverse y, because in our textbook that formula I didn't, that property that didn't give. The property can use for only competitive model, you can use that. But I'll give the marks to you now, it's okay. But next time onwards, but don't repeat that, okay? Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other questions? Any
Sir.
other?
The tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula is not there in textbook, no sir.
It's not there. Is there? Page number 44. Page number 44 in my textbook. Once you can see the tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Page number 44. The formula is there.
So 1 minute, sir. I don't have textbook. Let me open.
Okay? Yes, is there. The page number 44 only the two formulas they give, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y and tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. And today also exam also I give the one proof to you. Is correct? Prove that tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So all of you in class, when we done that chapter on the time, I gave very clearly all the properties with the proofs I gave. The proofs I gave, so you can do that. And still 3 more members, 2 more members that they didn't send your papers. Rachina and Kaushalya and Ritesh.
Sir, I've already uploaded my paper, sir.
Kaushalya,
Yes, sir.
I didn't get your paper.
Oh. I'll just check 1 minute, sir.
But it's there here. Actually, it's no, you're not turning. You're not turning.
Sir?
Okay, but you send the paper. I got the paper that. But
Okay,
I think
sir.
you didn't turn in the paper. You sent directly that.
Oh, yes, sir.
Correct. I'll written that paper again.
Yes, sir.
I'll written that the paper again. You can send to me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I written to you. Yes. I returned. Okay. You got
Yes, sir.
your
Yes.
paper you got? Yes. The paper now we can turn in. Turn in or hand in. Two options will come. Either you. Then I'll get into that. Okay. And what about Rachina? Rachina, please respond. Rachina, I think are you there in meeting?
Is not there, sir.
Oh, okay. Nivas and Ritesh. I think Nivas not there. I think Ritesh Balaji also not there. It's okay. So maybe your marks we will get by Sunday morning. Okay. Just you can check it.
Sir, did you get it now?
Yes. Now I got.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I got. Very good. Okay. Maybe here after I done the correction, immediately you'll get your paper also. You'll get marks. Once then you can verify clearly. Then where you done mistake, all those things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
By Sunday morning you'll get your marks. I will do that because tomorrow morning I have small work is there. Maybe tomorrow by evening I will be free. So on the time I will do the correction. Okay. Today we'll end the session now.
Thank you,
And
sir.
yes, Monday will continue. Monday just we go through the again our topic integrations will do.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.